Oftentimes in between Qigong exercises, you'll see this exercise where we come up like this. We breathe in. Inhale, exhale through the mouth. Again. We call this one the waterfall, so imagine you're standing in a waterfall. This is water washing over your body. So even though you'll see this on our, I had to see what number it was, but number 5, even though you'll see this as number 5 here on the board, this one can be used in betwixt and in between any of your other exercises. So let's just say you did the first exercise, the second exercise, that's all you had time for because you only had 5-10 minutes. Awesome, you're good to go. But now we're going to go on to the next practice in the set, okay?